Let's start at the Argus OS home screen, which has a dashboard to manage job queues, a control panel to start jobs with a single button press, a system monitor to show workcell status, an event history to show important messages, and a status window to get constant feedback on the current job. Argus OS is designed to make adding new parts to your operations seamless. Go to the Parts tab and select Add Part. Add optional metadata. Then import your CAD file and select only the required surfaces using the intuitive surface selection tool. Once selected, assign one or more processes to each surface. Select the Generate Paths button to easily visualize the process configuration and tool movements across the selected surface. A green arrow indicates the starting point, and the red arrow indicates the end point. The animation shows the progression of waypoints along the toolpath. In this example, the path of a directional finish is being checked. Update parameters and visualize the changes. For larger surfaces, utilize the speed options to speed up the animation loop. Once satisfied, proceed to the next surface and repeat the same steps. If all surfaces need the same processing, you can bypass this step by selecting the Apply to All Surfaces checkbox at the top left. For this second surface, a sanding process with a snake-like pattern is being checked. When ready, save the changes to make the part available to jobs. We'll cover job setup in the next tutorial.